Today we will discuss about the difference between object-oriented programming and procedural oriented programming in a Java. So object-oriented programming and procedural programming, which are both used to develop the applications, the both are used high-level programming language. There two are very most important concept in a Java. It is also important to know the difference between both of them. So we will discuss the comparison between procedural oriented programs and object oriented programs. So first is in a procedural programming, it is a programming language that is derived from structure programming, and it based upon the concept of calling procedures, and it follows the step by step approach in order to break down the task into the set of variables. And in object oriented programming, it is a computer programming language which is designed the philosophy that organize or a model software which design around the data or object rather than the function or a logic. Second difference, which is the procedural oriented program, which is less occurs than object oriented. And in object oriented, data hiding is possible in the concept due to the abstraction, which is a pillar of a object oriented programming concept, and it is more secure than a procedural programming. The third one is it follows top to down approach in a procedural programming, and in object oriented it follows bottom to up approach. Next one is the procedural programming, which is data moving within the system of a function to another, and in object oriented the object can move and communicate with each other via member functions. Next difference is the procedural programming, which is a structure or a procedural oriented, and object oriented, which is a object oriented programming. Then next one is the procedural programming. There are no access modifiers used, and the access modifier in a object oriented programming concept are normally named private, public, protected, or default. Then next one is in a procedural programming, there is no code reusability presence, and in object oriented programming it offers code to reusability by using the features of inheritance. Then next one is in a procedural programming, the overloading which is not possible, but in object oriented programming there is a function overloading and operator overloading. Then next one is in a procedural programming, it gives the important the functions over data, and in object oriented programming concept it gives the importance to data over the function. And last one is an example of a procedural programming, which includes C, Pascal, and VB. And in object oriented programming, which is example of .NET, C#, Python, Java, C++, etc. Here are all the difference between object oriented and procedural oriented. Thank you.